Markets crash, empires rise, currencies shift, yet the earth moves to a rhythm untouched by profit or policy. Beneath the algorithms and exchange rates, there's a pulse older than memory, the forces of nature. Today we ask, what happens when the economy forgets who truly rules? Human history is a story of conquest, of land, of energy, of time itself. We built cities on floodplains, pipelines through permafrost, and markets on the assumption that tomorrow will resemble today. But when the rivers rise, when forests burn, when the sky turns unbreathable, no currency can buy back balance. We have long believed in the illusion of control, that human hands could command the tides, the winds, the climate itself. We made contracts with the future, but nature never signed them. And when the earth reclaims its rhythm, every economy must learn to listen. Economists speak of the invisible hand, but there is another, older hand at work. It sculpts mountains, floods valleys, and redirects the course of civilization. When volcanoes darken the skies or droughts choke harvests, markets listen, because they must. Nature, not finance, sets the price of survival. Every chart, every forecast, every GDP figure floats upon a thin layer of environmental grace. Without stable soil, clean air, or flowing water, even the most sophisticated economy collapses into silence. It's a reminder that wealth is not what we build above the ground, but what we protect beneath it. Ancient peoples knew this truth. They offered songs to rivers and built temples to storms, not from fear, but from understanding. They spoke to the earth as kin, not as resource. Today, we offer data instead of devotion. Yet perhaps it's time to remember humility, to see ourselves not as masters of nature, but as its apprentices. The next age of prosperity will not be defined by growth, but by balance, by learning to measure wealth in terms of regeneration, not extraction, by honoring the ecosystems that sustain every transaction, every breath, every dream. In the end, all economies dissolve back into the soil. Steel becomes dust, paper money becomes ash, and balance sheets become fossils. The only true wealth is the continuity of life. The forces of nature were here before our markets, and they'll be here long after. This has been When the Earth Speaks, a reflection on the humbling truth that the planet does not need our permission to correct its course. May we listen before the wind becomes our only teacher.